Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have updation from 3 different companies. There are so much openings available for the freshers. Okay, so let's see what are those. So, if you have your friends seeking for the job, then share this video among them so they can also know about the opportunity and get started with their career. Okay, so first I'm starting with Harman. So, they are hiring for software engineer position in location is Bangalore, and you can see they have not put forward great no so much kind of eligibility criteria to go. They have very minimal kind of eligibility criteria, that is you must be a BE graduate. Freshers is what you need, like BE graduate and freshers. So this is what all that they require. It's opening for freshers. So to apply, you can go with this apply link and you can fill your form. So here you will be getting Harman, obviously the selection process is like online test will be there, and after that you will be having the interview session. And related to all these kind of things, we have previously did a video, like one of our students has got into Harman. So that interview experience videos out actually like 3 2 videos back, you can get it. So you can just go for that in case you have any kind of like doubts regarding that. Okay, so here you can see you can choose this option. So here I'm just choosing like apply manually. So I have to give every details manually, like my profile and my resume, everything I have to give it manually. So there they'll redirect into login page. So if you have not created your account yet, you have to create, and if you have already one created, then you can just use the same username and password to log in with. So here, this is the form you have to give for. You have to give your personal details, your address, and all these kind of details. After that, you can save and continue. Then you'll be moving to the second phase of registration step, that is giving your experience. So if you're a fresher, all these kind of things, and if you aren't a fresher, all these kind of things. Because this form is common for every opening, so they'll give the experience thing too. You can give it as required. And next is voluntary disclose. Submitting your with this company. Okay, and after that you have to review. So don't skip this step review. You have to review your application. If there is any modifications to be carried out, do it as then and there, and after that submit it. Okay, because some at time of typing we may mistake on regarding so much of things. Okay, so all those mistakes should not be submitted, because if there is any problem with the application, then you won't be getting the chances. So that you must be very careful to review that and make sure that every details that you provide is clear enough. Okay, so this is about the opening in Harman. So you can go with that. They used to provide like approximately 5+ LPAs for the freshers, even depending upon your skills and depending upon how you do, and it depends on the individual, like the college you get in, all these kind of things. Okay, so you can try applying for this position. It's a very good opportunity for everyone. So now moving on to the other, which is at health assist. So here there are some openings available. So I'm going to disclose about the technical, which is for the freshers opening 2021 freshers. Okay, and coming to the Harman, they have not mentioned about any kind of batch criteria. It do means that like 2021, 2020 and 2019 hardly can apply for that. Okay, so they want freshers in the sense those who have zero work experience and those who have currently logged out. Okay, those who have currently passed out. So it is between best for 2021 and 2020 batch students. But 19, if you wish to get into this position, just try applying for that. If your application is selected, then you can move forward. Else you can just try applying for the other things too. Okay, it is not like we cannot assure it. It depends upon the company policy. So this is the thing, like freshers hiring 2021. So you can get onto this link. Okay, here too they have not given so much of criteria. So only this, like BE BTech freshers 2021 pass out. Aggregate percentage required is 70% and above. Like if it is a CGPE and percentage, it's 70% and above is applicable. Main location is Bangalore. It will be work from home in current situation. Okay, so this is the opening out there, and if you click on the apply now button, you will get a form where you have to give all your details regarding that. Like you have to give your resume, everything. So here it is some opening to a position like software developer position. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that every technical skill like CS related, computer science related technical skill is to be added. And if you have some technical skills regarding your business, all these kind of things, you can add it, but it is secondary. First thing is your developer position. Okay, it's a developer position, so developing related skills you have to do, and make sure that you make customize your resume to this particular opening alone. Okay, so yes, now after filling all these kind of details, you can submit your application. They'll contact through your mail which you have submitted here. Okay, so this is opening here. So here too they used to provide like 4.5 plus LPAs. It is very good actually. It depends upon individual, but this is the average CTC provided. Okay, so don't waste this. We don't know when the link will be getting expired. They have not put any last date criteria. It do means that if they get enough enough application as they are wishing, then they will be closing it. It can be now, it can be the next second, it can be the next day. So soon after you watch this video, make sure that you apply for all these kind of jobs. Okay, so that's about here. And now next we have an opening from PayPal. So, PayPal is also very good to start for the careers in software department. So they are hiring for the software engineer. The location is Chennai. So here you can see they have certain things mentioned here, like what will be the things that you will be handling, like produce clear, modular, extensible, maintainable, and well-documented code, excellent troubleshooting, debugging, and analytical skills, creative and innovative, able to think out of the box, self-starter, flexible, and open-minded, enjoys fast-paced, dynamic, and excellent team player on all these kind of things. Okay, so you can just go through all these and make your application. And to apply for that, you can go with this apply link and make your application done. Okay, so now coming to the next phase. Here you can see there are some instructions that you should take care of. You can see that provide full legal first name, family name, all these kind of things. So friends, when you apply, just be like make sure that after getting into the job, you will give the right name, or you will give the name which is in your official ID, like Aadhaar card, all this kind. Now you'll give some random names like you name your Insta ID. It's not like that. You should give the right name as you provide in the government ID, because these data will get a cross check when they are assessing all the applications. So there are so much people like they don't even get any kind of reactions from the company. It's just because these things aren't perfect enough, and so much of people are getting a call back from this, and so much of people are not getting the call back from this. It can be due to various reasons, like resume may not be having some keywords, as I've mentioned in one of the videos which I prepared about the resume, importance of resume, and what all you should include and exclude in resumes. Okay, that is the first thing. And second thing is some mismatches in your application details that you where you give the candidature profile. Some mismatches in that can also occur. And also sometimes they would have like 10 to 12 or seats open, but you'll be getting lakhs of students, so they'll be selecting some of them and remaining they'll be just ignoring it. So these can be the wide reasons they can be. So some of them are getting selection, some of them aren't getting selection. It doesn't mean that you won't get selection at all. You will be getting one day, so keep trying. All that we can do is to make use of all the opportunities to give a post apply for all the jobs that we see, right? From that you will be getting once a call. Okay, so yes, you can go for these kind of things, and after that you can just log in and you can go for that. If your LinkedIn is well updated, you can just apply with that, else you can go to this apply button and give all your personal details and sign in. Okay, so okay, so here this is a quick apply. You can give your resume, your CV, all these kind of things, and you can go for the next. There you will get a form to fill your personal details. After that, you can move next. There you will be getting something related to your education, all these kind of things. Like all these application steps is similar for all the companies in different steps. You can have to take it different pages. Okay, so this is about the opening in PayPal available, and all these are for the freshers, applicable for the freshers, that is with 0 years of experience. So it is for the 2021 alone, health assist, and you can see Harman, they have mentioned like freshers job. So 2020 and 21st, hardly 2019. Okay, and 2018 students, for you like 2018 17 students, we used to get so much comments, can you bring up for us also? So first thing that you have to keep in mind is, the world is moving so fast. So if you get some opportunity like 2019 is applicable for this, just apply it and try your hardest, learn your hardest, and after that apply for that and get it. Okay, get this done. Don't leave it liberal, just get it done, because 2019 batch students are getting, like, they are moving far apart from this batch criteria in the industrial jobs which is available for the freshers. Okay, 2019 passive students are coming under the experience criteria. So if you are a fresher till now, then you have to grab the opportunity whichever is available at the earliest, and if you get, then move on as you do. Okay, so this is the thing that I have to make a reminder, and all the jobs which are presented, as I've mentioned, it is for the freshers. So you can try applying for all that, and they give your mail ID perfectly, so they'll be contacting through that. Attend the online assessment, attend the interview, and crack it. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts or any suggestions regarding the video, then you can make it in the comment section. We are going through all of your comments. Okay, so until we meet again with so much of these kind of information, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.